Okay, so our second song is When He Comes Again. Okay, so we're going to focus on the first verse right now. I will make the pictures and get everything together for the second verse at a later date, but right now we're going to focus on the first verse. So the song starts off, I wonder when he comes again. Okay, and then it goes through several questions. Will herald angels sing? Another question, will earth be white with drifted snow? Or will the world know spring? Okay, and those are the very first lines. So I wonder when he comes again. Will herald angels sing? Will earth be white with drifted snow? Or will the world know spring? Okay, let's practice singing those verses, and then we'll go on to the second part of verse 1. I wonder when he comes again, will herald angels sing? Will earth be white with drifted snow, or will the world know spring? Okay, so I wonder when he comes again, will herald angels sing? Will earth be white with drifted snow, or will the world know spring? All right, so the last part of this verse, you continue to wonder or ask questions. It says, I wonder if one star will shine far brighter than the rest. Will daylight stay the whole night through? Will songbirds leave their nests? I'm sure he'll call his little ones together round his knee, because he said in days gone by, suffer them to come to me. So I wonder if one star will shine far brighter than the rest. This is kind of like the star shining far brighter than the rest at his birth, right? It's a question. Will a star shine brighter than the rest? And then if you remember when he was born also, daylight shone the whole night through to the Nephites, right? They didn't have any night. They had a day. At that night, it was bright and the day again, so no nighttime. So will daylight stay the whole night through? That's a reference to that. Then will songbirds leave their nests? And then I wonder, I'm sure he'll call his, not, he's, and one of the things that Jesus Christ is referred to is calling his little ones several times in the scriptures. And this last part says, I'm sure he'll call his little ones together round his knee, because he said in days gone by, suffer them to come to me. And that refers to the scripture that says, suffer the little children to come to me, basically. And so we will go back to that. So let's go through. I'm going to start at the beginning of the song. Sing along with me, and we're going to add in the last part of the verse as we sing through. I'm sorry. Okay. I wonder when he comes again, will herald angels sing? Will earth be white with drifted snow, or will the world know spring? I wonder if one star will shine far brighter than the rest. Will daylight stay the whole night through? Will songbirds leave their I'm sure he'll call his little ones, gather round his knee, because he said in days gone by, suffer them to come to me. Okay, when we go by the music, we won't make any musical mistakes. Miss Barr, I'm sorry, I'm used to calling myself Miss Barr with my students. So when I do videos like this, I call myself Miss Barr because you can call me Sister Barr though. So, all right, so we're gonna sing it with the music. So this time we'll actually be in key. Sorry, I gotta open it up again. Okay, so let's listen to the music and listen to the words and sing the best that we can. I wonder when he comes again, will herald angels sing? Will earth be light with drifted snow, or will the world know spring? I wonder if one star will shine far brighter than the rest. Will daylight stay the whole night through? Will songbirds leave their nests? I'm sure he'll call his little ones together round his knee, because he said in days gone by, suffer them to come to me. Okay, so I want you to really focus on that particular verse, and we will focus on the other verse at a later time this year. So have fun singing and practicing. There's also the sing-along song on the next page or down in the slides. Also, you can always go on to, and let me pull this up. Let me see if I can just do recording here. Change, nope, it won't let me change what I'm doing, sorry. I was hoping I could change to just showing my face. So if you go to the church app, let me go here. Okay, if you go to music, they have this sing-along videos, and it has many of the songs here. So let's go. We have, let's see, it is in alphabetical order. Does not have that song. It does have the Church of Jesus Christ, I believe. No. Well, it has a few other songs. You could always just go to this app and sing some other fun songs that the church has put some sing-along videos to. And they are really fun to go along and listen to.